Hey there, it's Lily with Cherry True Beads, and today I'm going to show you a really quick video on how to make these spiked earring kits. We've got them in 3 different options right now, and I'm going to be showing you with our kyanite stick one. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the hoop, and I'm going to take my wire nippers and just cut one piece on that. That's going to open it up for you, and then I'm going to use these step bail pliers. I prefer to use these just because the size is going to be consistent, but you can use a needle nose plier as well. I'm going to pinch one end of that open hoop, and I'm going to be using a second size, and you just twist that plier out away from you, and this loop is what's going to be held on by the wire to get your beads to go across here. And I'll just do the same thing on the other side here. Just bending it outwards. So now you've got like a horseshoe shape here with that hoop. Next, I'm going to take a strip of the wire, and I'm going to wrap it around one side of the hoop. So I like to go back behind the hoop and take that shorter tail end and wrap it around, just so you know that the wire is getting tight on there. And I wrap it around about 3 or 4 times. You want to make sure that it's really secure on there, and you can just nip off that little piece or use a flat nose plier and bend it around so it's not poking you. And then I slide that all the way down into the loop. And if you've got it really flush up against, you might need to open it up a bit, but it should slide flush right into there. And then you can close that side up. Next, I'm going to just take the little brass bead and start off on that. And you are going to get quite a few beads in the kit, so you can mix and match them how you want the sizes to go or how many you want to put on there. I've put 4 on mine. And so you just put all your beads on there, just straight across on that wire. And then I'm going to grab that last little brass piece. And you're going to take the end of your wire and do the same thing that you did at the beginning. Just wrap it around the end of that hoop. Again, 3 or 4 times, and you're going to have a little bit of wire left over in case you mess up the loop. And you can just nip off the excess. And the base of your earring is done. Now we just have to attach our ear wire. That's pretty simple with these. You just take your pliers and you're gonna bend that out away from you. If you can see that. Now it's open enough to get my earring through, and then I'm gonna just bend that piece back together. Super quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining us.